Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix League of Legends error code 004. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing, if you're experiencing this error, you just need to look for, go and search and look for League of Legends shortcut. So you just need to right click on it, open file location, then open again, go to properties, and then compatibility, and make sure to run this program as administrator, and then you need to look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, then another thing that you can do here, you just need to on search open up CMD as administrator. I misclicked it. CMD as administrator. Then on here you just need to write ipconfig/flush DNS, and then another command that you need to put is -. WinSock reset, right? And after that, you need to restart your computer and look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, then you need to go to settings, and then you need to go to network and internet, then scroll down until you see advanced network settings, and here should be network reset, and reset your network. If you're using Wi-Fi, you need to put your Wi-Fi password again, and if you're using Ethernet cable, you're good to go. You don't need to do here nothing. And in the same time, also you can reset your router as well. And if this doesn't work, then the last thing that I suggest you to do here is to change DNS settings. And to do so, go to network and internet, then you need to go to advanced network settings, then select your internet connection. For me is this one. Then you need to go to more adapter options and press on edit. Then make sure Internet Protocol version 6 is disabled and double click on Internet Protocol version 4. Select use the following DNS server addresses, and on preferred DNS server you need to write 8.8.8.8, and on alternate DNS server you need to write 8.8.4.4, or just other DNS servers, just a Google server. So it's basically, I like it most, but nevertheless you can use others as well. And then just restart your computer and your problem should be fixed. Right, so that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.